Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on the Chevy Cruze, and if you guys need to find the module guys for the central locking, also known as anti-theft locking system guys, stay with us, we'll explain where that module is located and how to get to it, how to remove it guys. Now, quick introduction guys, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why guys? Because our mission is to save you as much money as we can, so please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need any help, leave a comment below, we'll try to make a video for your problem guys. Another thing guys, if you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase all the parts from and all our tools guys. Super fast shipping, and also guys you get really good price, fraction of the price what you're going to pay if you go to buy them at a regular parts store. So actually guys, it's a little bit of a hidden location and we're going to explain where it is. Most people will never think that it's there, but I accidentally found it one day. So this is guys your rear view mirror, okay, on your Chevy Cruze. Okay, perfect, just like that. Let's leave it like that, the camera. Okay, this is your rear view mirror. Now if we get guys plastic panel removal tool, we need to open, okay, that panel. It has a couple clips, they slide out this way and then it slides out this way. And if you guys remove that and you come, okay, let me move that mirror out of the way. You look this way. This is guys your central locking module, also known as anti-theft module guys. So how you guys remove that thing now? Pretty simple. First, disconnect your car battery. Every time you work on electrical connectors, disconnect the car battery. Second, okay, right here, that clip, you need to pry it back a little bit. Okay, give me just a second now, because that thing is a little stuck there. But it looks like the only way to come out is actually if we pry that clip up a little bit. So let me just see if it's going to come out. Okay, it's right there. I just need to be a little bit more brave, but I'm scared not to mess up the clip guys. Almost out. So let me actually get on this side so I can see a little bit better. On the bottom side it looks like it just goes okay in the canal, so the only thing holding it is, okay, it looks it's this clip right here. Okay, perfect. I got it loose guys. We got it loose. Now let's just come a little bit closer because everything's black. That clip is loose. I pull it down and the only thing that we need to disconnect, okay, is that wiring harness here. Now this one, you grab it, you pull it out guys. And this is your module out of there. You can see that's how we remove it. Putting it together in reverse order, we took it apart guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.